Over there, there's a bike. You can see there's no paint on that bike. It's like bare metal. That's a bike I designed. In 2019, I started the design of this bike. I moved to China with a friend of mine. We stayed there for 4 months. We signed a contract. I basically invested all my money at that time into prototyping and developing this bike. Now it's at its final stage. What's up, guys? Let's make it happen, Cyberbikes. You guys have seen the Cyberbike, which was our first prototype. This is our black bike, second prototype. We had a bunch of problems, and I have been wondering and thinking how to solve those problems. And then Centaur is the resolution, of all those problems in one bike. It's the only bike in the market that we literally blended 3 categories in one. You can kind of jump from the Everest and the suspension will be there. Your dog, imagine your dog here. Yeah. For parents looking to have a bike that they can take their kids out, people that are looking to commute in the city, for people that like mountain biking, film production, could be camping, could be fishing, could be like surfing, skateboarding. So that bike can carry it for you. The feedback I've got from people that don't have any expertise, no knowledge in the biking industry, just by riding the bike and describing how they felt, I think we have a good product that will solve your needs of transportation. This is the Centaur. It's the bike that really blends, matches humans and horses and make one unique thing. The reliability of your horse now on a bike. Welcome to the 21st century with Cyberbikes. Invest your money, be wise, get a Cyberbikes, get the Centaur, and don't regret your choice. I think e-bikes are gonna take over. No pollution, no plate or registration. What I think is, when people start cycling more, they start paying attention on their diet, if they are sleeping well. Increasing activity brings a shift in how you live your life. Cycling an e-bike is just the beginning for a holistic change in your life. Don't hesitate to contact Cyberbikes if you have any questions. We are here to help.